Danny Highsoccer with Yealink, helping people do their business better. Today we're going to do a mic test of the Yealink BH72 headset, and this one happens to come with this particular charger, and we've done a whole unboxing video, so if you want to learn more about this particular headset and what's inside, check out the description box below. But in this video, we're testing mics, so let's do it. Stay tuned. So I'm back. So now I have the Yealink BH72 connected to my laptop via their BT50 dongle, and it's a little bit different than some of the dongles you've seen, but there it is. But anyway, so let's start with the type test. So I'm talking, typing, typing. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you were in an open office environment with the Yealink BH72 headset. And so one of the things that's cool about this headset is this retractable microphone. So if I push it back, it mutes. So let's do that. So now we have the television here. So I'm going to do my whole picture-in-picture thing here so you guys can see the volume level here, because I'm going to increase that. All right, that's as loud as the television gets. So this is what it would sound like with the volume turned all the way up.
Every day to deliver the best services.
BH72 with an extremely loud television playing in the background. All right, so here is my blender here. Here is the decibel reader. So let's crank this guy on. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and turn that up. And again, I don't put anything into it because it actually gets louder when there's nothing in it. All right, so this volume is going up to over 95 decibels. So this is what it would sound like with the Yealink BH72 directly in front of a running blender, and it is extremely loud. The next one is our good old dogs. Let's get some dogs barking. All right, so this is what it would sound like using the Yealink BH72 with dogs barking in the background. And again, you can retract the microphone. You can just simply push it in on. All right, and then we're going to unmute it. So if you're in this loud of an environment, this is what it would sound like with dogs barking using the Yealink BH72. So the next thing that I want to do is a range test. And now I've been testing this headset and operating range up to 100 feet. Unfortunately, that's not what I've experienced. But so let's go for a little field trip. So here we are. So I'm connected to my computer, right? But I'm going to take my phone with me. So just right here, just so you guys know, right here is 12 feet. So right now I'm 12 feet from the dongle. So I'm going to just open my door. But again, as I said, I haven't experienced, I think it starts to cut around right here. So but anyway, so that's what it sounds like if you have this brand new BH72 headset. It's a very comfortable headset. But the next test that I'm going to do, because folks request this, I'm going to take this headset outside, but I'm going to be paired to my mobile phone. So I'm going to be paired to my mobile phone, and I'm going to be outside. I'm going to try to get by the street so that you guys can hear loud traffic. And of course, it's Florida, so it's somewhat windy. Stay tuned. So here I am outside beautiful sunny Florida by a busy road. So there's cars driving by. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the BH72 by Yealink outside in front of an open road here with cars zipping by, the wind blowing, and just the natural sounds of outdoors. All right, let's head back. All right, so we're back. Hopefully you enjoyed that real world test. If you'd like to see more like that or anything else, please comment below. If you're looking for 1 to thousands of audio and video devices for yourself or your enterprise or organization, All our contact information is going to be in the description box below. And again, I urge you to purchase from authorized vendors. We're going to take care of you pre-sale and post-sale, and through the life cycle of your device, we'll be there for you. And you can actually pick up the phone and talk to a real human being when you do it. So as always, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and again, I keep urging you, just let us know what you'd like to see and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.